All of you, I know you got him. I know you got him picked, but the man's in trouble. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
My hair was a year ago when I started using aloe, and exactly where it is now when I've been using aloe. Never fear, Reggie's here, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the top benefits of using aloe vera, why you should use aloe vera, and how to implement it into your natural hair growth journey for faster hair growth. If y'all like this video, stay tuned and subscribe. There'll be more content on the way. Follow me on all my social medias. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get on into it. Somewhere on the screen, I'm going to really put up my 1 year ago picture somewhere on here to show you guys exactly where my hair was a year ago when I started using aloe, and exactly where it is now when I've been using aloe. So right here, I'm just cutting up the aloe vera into smaller chunks. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to cut the aloe vera into manageable pieces and cut off the spikes on the sides. Once you cut up the aloe vera and split it into two where the gel is showing, you can just save the excess or dispose of it like I'm doing here. I already have my hair in parts and sections already, so what I'm doing right now is just taking my already created sections, splitting them into two, so I can make my hair more manageable when I'm applying my aloe vera gel. So as you can see on the screen, I am applying the aloe onto my hair in sections. However, you can choose whether you want to part or section your hair. That's all entirely up to you. This just works for me because my hair is very thick and dense. Make sure you guys are being very gentle and thoroughly distributing this throughout your hair. So I'm simply adding some extra virgin olive oil and some Jamaican black castor oil to a bowl, and after mixing it, I'm going to apply it to my scalp. Then I'm going to put a plastic cap over my head for about 20 minutes while I pre-poo. Show you guys right now what my hair is looking like. Alright. So just finishing my pre-poo process right now. I pre-pooed my hair for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the shower and show you guys how I wash it out. My next step, guys, is me actually washing out the aloe vera gel. I did a video, my last video, of me actually washing my hair with the Aztec clay mask and me styling my hair. So if you guys want to check that out, video will be in the description down below, or I might put it on the screen. But if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check that out, because I won't be posting my actual curly hair routine today. So after 20 minutes, I hop in the shower and just rinse everything out. Right now I'm using the Bella Curls Moisturizing Deep Conditioning Mask, which contains honey, coconut oil, shea butter, and other nourishing ingredients. Alright guys, I'm back. So right now I'm just finished deep conditioning with the Bella Curls Deep Conditioner. So for our first take, I'm going to rinse it out and tell you guys exactly how I feel on it. But I mean, when it comes to deep conditioning, guys, make sure you're doing it every single week. The reason why I say you guys should be doing it every single week, pretty much because it's going to change the game for your hair. If you are low porosity, it's going to get that moisture and you hydrate your hair throughout the entire week. I'm high porosity, I still do it. If you guys want a link to this blow dryer, I'm using the Kiss blow dryer Tornado 360. Link will be in the description down below. I do not have a link for this hooded dryer specifically, but if I find one, I will put it in the description for you guys. Make sure you guys are applying 2 or 1 shower cap to your head each time you do this. Do not apply direct heat. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, the next step is really me using the aloe vera plant in my styling process. I'll repeat that. I'm using the aloe vera plant in my styling process. So the ALCO method, instead of using the leave-in, I'm using the aloe vera plant as my leave-in or my liquid. Aloe vera has many, you know, benefits. You can use it as a sealant as well, but in this process I'm using it as my L and LCO because it does maximize hydration. It gives your hair that bounce you're looking for. If you're looking for a definition, it can also be used as just a straight up gel in your process if you just wanted to use it like that. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I use it and tell you guys why you should be using it and implementing this each and every wash day to maximize your hair growth each day. So in this LCO method, I did not use an oil. So for instead of an oil, I actually use a gel. I use the wet line and stream gel. So in my styling process, like I said, I'm pretty much using the LCO method though, but I'll be using aloe as my L or my leave-in. I'll be using the 4-leaf clover styling cream as my C, and I repeat these 3 steps on each section of my hair. And at the end, I add the wet line and stream gel for a stronger hold. You'll be seeing that coming up soon. To keep my hair from poofing up at the root, I do apply duct clips on each section after I apply my styling products to them. And that's all for this video, guys. If you got any questions, link them down in the comment section. Put a thumbs up if you made it this far. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, thanks for coming to the video. Remember to like, subscribe, share my content. I'm trying to get out there to the masses. Remember, it's Reggie. Peace.